All right, dude. We got ScooberDoober. Hi, ScooberBoober. See if we can get him to play. I think my theme of the day today is nature nurture, right? If they're, come on. If they're once playful, will they always be playful? Can you get it out of them if they're not real playful? Like this guy, he's real happy-go-lucky, right? And the other part is what you're surrounded by. I've had a lot of, I had a real run of high energy, needing to work dogs, right? And that got me going good. Then I had this run of, right, and then I started learning a lot of not trick stuff, but just getting better at things, with the exception of the double marker thing. That's what I can't make myself do for some reason. But my mechanics got pretty good, right? Because I had a bunch of dogs that needed me to be good, so I got better. Now and then I had this run of like cupcakes, right? So cupcakes are easy ones, kind of like this guy. I mean, he was a little bit hard at the start for a couple of things. Dude, what are you doing? Like, I do what I want. This is what I do at home. I go in the yard and I do what I want. we got some play now. But it's by himself, right? Oh. Right? That gets into the same thing. Because that's kind of what he's done. I think we didn't talk a whole lot when we set up him coming, but she used to go in the yard and play ball with him a lot. So I'm sure she still does a little. But we used to do a lot of stuff, right? And so nature nurture. So is it just natural to stay in there? Ready? Ready, heel? Or does it go away, right? I mean, kind of everything here. Everything's kind of use it or lose it, right? Come on. Yeah. Good. Yes. Right. This week I've been pretty good about the double markers. So try to get a touch and let them see me go the other way so they don't do this kind of stuff. Right? But if he's become used to being in the yard by himself, then there's nothing wrong with that. Dogs used to be great for a long time being in the yards by themselves. Right? Now we have all kinds of issues because we make them be in our house all the time. Give me that ball. What's up, dude? This fool. Oh, the other way to work that out? Look, he's out of gas now. You out of gas now? I purposefully took him as soon as he pooped this morning, brought him back in. Because I knew I was going to have time for him right now. I want him to play. Come on. So, right, so frustration and proximity. Come here. Scooby. Scooby. Good boy. He was trying to get him to bring it back. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Right. Hey. So you use your motion for motivation, use your frustration and proximity. How long does it take to get it back if we let it go? Right? Was there something else I was supposed to talk about on his? You know what I need to do? I put up my little whiteboard and I was using it for like about 2 weeks. I don't have a lot of discipline for corporate-y stuff, right? Making a list, paperwork. It's kind of, to me, that's kind of corporate-y stuff. Oh, I gave you the one that squeaks. What's up, dude? You want to just hang out? You want to just hang out and be a bum? What's up with that? Hmm? You want to hang out and be a bum? Ain't nothing wrong with that. You don't get to do no work. You do food work? You want to do some food work? You want to do some food work? Bah. Excuse you, pig. We used to be. You want that? Did he sit? Ah, that's not a sit. Nope, sit. It's just putting your foot there. You can use least pressure. Oh, now we're caught up. Yeah, sit. Good. Break. Right, so right there. Right, so before I did good in yes. This time I did good in break. It's hard to change your habits, right? No matter how many times you say it. Scooby. Scooby. Ha ha ha, good boy. Do, do. What all did we used to do? We used to do. You're loving that laying down nowadays, aren't you? You want to go just walk around the block, dude? Right. So this is kind of was it with him I was saying? Or was it with Layla? Becoming what you're surrounded by, right? I think it was with him. So I had all the working dogs, so I started getting better because they needed me to. Then I got a bunch of cupcakes, right? So I'm like, okay, whatever, okay, whatever. That's not a good habit, right? You should just always be. But these guys are like, they don't care, so all these dogs, they don't care. It's not that big a deal. They don't take much, right? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Does your mama still walk you? Since she got the harness, the freedom harness? Have you been good on it? Or have you gone back to chasing things and dragging her around again? Why are you trying to act like you don't understand what I say? See how they are? They do what they want, man. These guys. You gotta make them do what you want. All right, we're out here. We're gonna go for a walk in a minute.